252 days of trading, day 38. Didn't even do an early start on the, introduction. It's 2:30 p.m. right now. I'm going to make this whole video in the next 30 minutes to an hour and talk about how the day went. It was an interesting one. It's the best way I could describe it. Very interesting one. Still a learning process, we're trying to learn, but costly mistakes. Very costly mistakes. With that being said, let's get into it, boys. Like, comment, subscribe if you've been liking this, and if you want to follow, of course. So, yep. Let's get it. Alrighty, so let's get into it. You see the equity, $87. I wish I could show. Look, that's what I lost today. $2,536. I just broke a lot of trading today. I slept 2 hours and was just working and trading. Not being too smart with it. So let's get into it. Started the day off. I was like, what did I do? Oh, so yesterday, this was no good. I hopped in this trade right here. It was a 720 loss. And I believe this was 400. Whoa, what just happened? Yeah, there we go. So this was, 445. It was about 400. So I lost the 1100 I made right off the rip yesterday. Not off the rip, but what is that? From 430 to 710, I lost the 1,000 I made yesterday. So we were at 1,500. All right, I'm gonna play it smart. I took a good trade right here at 9 p.m. before I went to bed. Woke up. Yeah, I woke up at about 2. I woke up at 1:50 for work. Yeah, we were up a lot. So we got in right here at 2:50, and right here, what are we at? We're at we're up about 6. I remember waking up and seeing my account up over 1,500. So boom, we're up $400 on the day already. Made that nice comeback, and I just kept holding. I don't know. I kept holding it. After that, what did I do? I ended up selling it for far less profit. I think I sold it for about $700 profit, so made back some of that $1,100 loss. And then we could just start looking at all the trades we took in general. Boom, trade right here. It was a buy, and it went in our favor, well in our favor before we sold. Let's see. That's 280. It came all the way up to 308. That's a 30 points. Then I let it ride all the way down. 267. Took a loss. Then I hopped in right here. 2182. Came all the way up. Another 50 points. $1,000 plus play. I ended up selling it for little profit. Then what I do? I hopped in here, 75, down in here, 58. There's a little loss, 17. It's just a lot of little trades for losses. Losses that, like I said, I think I took like 5 total good big boy trades, and all of them went like 800 to 15 to 1,600 in my favor, and I just didn't sell. The one big mistake I made, look at this. So it went from 325 up to 372. all the way down to here, and I sold it for 40-point loss. And it bounced right after too. Came right on back up. Then right here, I just took a trade. It was the account was at $300 before I started this video, but I guess a huge blow up, and it just took me out quick. I got in right here on this downside, and yeah, stopped me out. Auto liquidated. There wasn't enough margin on there, so would have been nice to catch that. Nice at 100 points, but let's see. Here's the biggest mistake I made. We're gonna switch this back. Look at that profit trigger. I should have just kept it at 1,000. Like $1,000 in a day is so much. I'm looking back at it, but now, yeah, max position size. I had 20. I didn't use 20 ever. The most I ever did was 1 NQ, but yeah, not the best, boys. Let's go into the orders. P&L's gone, but showing 1,100. Not sure how that makes sense. Yesterday. Okay. So let's see. I'm trying to look at all this. Yeah, it's losing 64% of the trades, but they're smaller. So here's this breakdown. We did a 7-hour trade while I was asleep. Well, I slept for like 3. I think I slept like 3 hours, and then I let it ride out for a couple more hours, and should have just took that profit when I woke up. Yeah, I took a 681, then 200, then 300, so there's 500 gone. Then I made another 280 back, so 380. Then we lose 370. Now at this point, we're just going down. We're at the minus the break even, and now we're just going down. We're down 190, 270. Bring back another. Yeah, just as you can see, big losses. These 7-second trades right here at the 6:39 a.m. mark, I screwed up myself right there. That was devastating. Cost me what? Almost $230 instantly. Almost the same thing as the last one right here, 230. I placed a buy, and I didn't set my take profit or stop loss. I was like, I'm gonna just buy in quick, and I'll set it after really fast, move it, adjust it, and it was moving so quick, and the stop loss and take profit were so close to each other that it just hit them instantly as soon as I bought. So that was kind of annoying. The latest one, the 233 loss at the very bottom, that was 5 minutes. That was me. I made the trade okay, but it just, yeah, fat pump against my sell side. So there's that. And as you see, between 639 and 640, 639 to 640. It's not a minute. In 1 minute, we lost. What the hell? 130, 220, 250, 310. Yeah. Lost like $610 in a minute right there. Then look at these trades right here. Boom. These $9 and $4. These were up over $1,000, and I sold them for a break even essentially. I think I had like a tick in my profit, so that's $13. So then ended it with a 250 loss and another 233. GG. Scuffed day mentally. Cost you a lot. Will cost me a lot. Shoot. So there you have it. Pretty quick recap on the day, and foreseeable future is going to be pretty much recaps. Might withdraw that last $80 and do a Top Step account. Yeah, I might do that. And just one Top Step account for now, and then maybe next week I'm gonna try, and I get paid. I want to try try a little bit I don't know, maybe one more I'm gonna try one more run at Top Step account. Not one more, but I'm gonna try Top Step accounts next week, and then the check I get mid-March is always the big one. Like the middle check of the month, the 15th check, is where I have a lot of money to spend. So I'm gonna try again one more time with the live account too, depending on how the Top Step accounts are going, and from there we will see how it plays out. I like the live account. I gotta implement a few more things. One, what I need to do for sure is withdraw money on a profit day. Like yesterday I made $1,100. I should have pulled out 600 of it, build my account 500 a day max, and take all the extra profit I make. Would have been nice to have in my bank account instead of being thrown away today, but things you look back on and learn from. It's gonna be one of those slouch days, like groggy days, kind of days where I just feel depressed now, but we get over them quickly. It just sucks. It was going well, man. We peaked at $4,000 in 2 days, which it wasn't even like super bad trading. I had good setups and things were going well, but I need to learn to take my profit. 3 out of the 5 big trades I took that went over $1,000, 3 of them hit take profit that I had originally set at a big level, but my greed made me move my take profit further in my favor, knowing damn well it was set there for a reason at a big level. And then I'd see it reject that level and be like, oh, it's just a 20-30 point bounce, it'll come back up, and before you know it, it's 60-70 points against me and against my take profit, and I'm selling it for a baby profit or even a loss. So learning lessons. We'll see when it all starts clicking even more. It was clicking things click, they start clicking over time. We just got to keep at it with repetition and it gets better. We did all right. Unlock some ended up doing some, I got a text I read and I freaking forgot what I was gonna say, but it's all good. It is what it is, boys. We'll figure it out. We're gonna keep at it, staying strong. Gotta upload no matter what. Transparency is king. Transparency is life. Love, hate, bacon, grease, and soda. Much love, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.